Prettyprint JSON data to a file using Python. A project for class involves parsing Twitter JSON data. I'm getting the data and setting it to the file without much trouble, but it's all in one line. This is fine for the data manipulation I'm trying to do, but the file is ridiculously hard to read and I can't examine it very well, making the code writing for the data manipulation part very difficult. Does anyone know how to do that from within Python, i.e. not using the command line tool, which I can't get to work? Here's my code so far. Note: I appreciate people pointing me to simpleton documentation and such, but as I have stated, I have already looked at that and continue to need assistance. A truly helpful reply will be more detailed and explanatory than the examples found there. Thanks. Also, trying this in the Windows command line. Results in this. I give you the data I'm using, but it's very large and you've already seen the code I used to make the file.
You should use the optional argument indent.
You can parse the JSON, then output it again with indents like this. See this URL for more info.
You don't need JSON.dumps if you don't want to parse the string later, just simply use JSON.dump. It's faster too.
You can use JSON module of Python to prettyprint. So, in your case,
Pushing them